Hey church, I'm Leja, and this is John,
and welcome to GT Connect.
We're so excited to be here and glad to have you in service, and if we have any visitors, we'd like to welcome you as well. The Friends and Family Fall Picnic is today, so join us for a great afternoon of good food, great fellowship, and a lot of fun. There'll be some good fried chicken and drinks the church will be supplying, so just bring a side dish and come and have some fun.
We're going to War Veterans Memorial Park right after church. We're going to shelter number 2 at 1:30. We got our own shelter. We've got a playground right next to it. It's on the water. There's fun for everyone. Come on out. We'll see you there. If you don't know where it's at, just go to the Yes desk and we'll help you find it. The Ronald McDonald House Outreach is this Saturday, November 9th. We're going to be reaching out a helping hand to the hurting families of the little kiddos in All Children's Hospital.
We'll serve them a meal, pray with them, offer them encouragement, and extend the love of Christ to these hurting families. If you would like to participate in this outreach, contact Norma Perkins or the church office. Another great outreach opportunity for us. GT Church will be joining Denise Wright with Matters of the Heart Ministry for Thanksgiving outreach on Saturday, November 9th at Pinellas Technical College.
Did you know last year we helped over 400 families? I've never seen so many turkeys in my life. So we need your help. It's a great opportunity and we still have time for you to donate some turkeys. I can't believe it's that time of year again for the Christmas festivities.
We wish you a Merry Christmas,
we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This Saturday, November 16th, is our GT Church Christmas Emporium.
There'll be demos, make it and take it crafts, and we're so privileged to have a presentation of Dee Collier with Ebenezer Scrooge's Maid. This is a great, delightful tale about the true meaning of Christmas presented in a fun and humorous way.
Y'all come out and join us.
GT Church is opening its doors to new members. If you're a new attendee or would like more information about becoming a member, Pastor Helms would like for you to join him for lunch after the 10:45 service on Sunday, November 10th.
And right after the lunch, Pastor George will explain all about what it means to be a member of GT Church. You'll also learn about the great ministry opportunities and the great things that we do that help you bring value to your life and to others. If you're interested, go ahead and fill out the form in the bulletin and pass it along to someone on your way out.
Pastor's about to make his way up, but in the meantime, don't forget to check in on Facebook.
And we love seeing your photos each and every week, so keep posting them.
Well, that's all we got. Thanks for watching GT Connect,
and we'll see you next week.